Okay, your name's Alasdair Cunningham. I'm from Northampton area, Northamptonshire. Okay, I come to the Property Investors Crash Course to learn about property and learn about all the various ways of buying property, HMOs, lease options, rent to rents, and because I thought Samuel's YouTube videos were honest and he's very open and very truthful, and I wanted to see him in real life. I love the part about lease options, and that's massively what I'm excited about. So I want to buy some HMOs. I was going to go down the conventional route of finding a deposit, getting a mortgage, but now I'm well up for trying to find lease options and do this sort of no money down sort of method of buying properties. Samuel was a very honest, very genuine, very excited guy. He's clearly passionate about what he does. He's clearly passionate about property. I think he's awesome. I think he's now a good friend. Yeah, so if you're having any doubts, just don't worry about it. Come along, see what happens. Come with an open mind, an open heart, and you'll smash it. Well, yeah, if you're on the fence, just jump off that fence, get your train ticket, come to London, come to wherever, do the crash course. You just got to do it. If you've been thinking about property, thinking about getting involved in property, looking for somebody that can teach you and educate you about property, Samuel Leeds is the guy. There's a lot of people out there. I've been through a lot of them, and I've looked into a lot of them. The only person I sort of really trust now is Samuel Leeds.